I'm going to go over in this video how you can actually make money with AI, with Claude Code, with Z.ai, with Google Anti-Gravity, with all these things. Everyone talks about, oh, yeah, AI is great, but are you really making money with it? I want you to see this. So right here, what I'm doing is multiple things. And I'm going to say this so people understand. I'm using Claude Code over here, which just is loading still because I have 10 agents. I might need to do a refresh, but I want to show you what's going on here. Look at this right here. He's going out and commenting on posts on TikTok for me on that agent. Now this agent is going out commenting on post on YouTube. And if Claude sees this, they're gonna probably, not let us do this anymore. So hopefully we keep it cool. We don't have any issues. You can come over here. He's working on my LinkedIn. On this side, I have an agent that's going out working on my TikTok. Right here, this agent is helping me on my Skool community. Look at this. Just now, 10K is a milestone where you can start hiring help. Just going out and working for me while I'm sitting here and orchestrating everything. And that's all this is about. This is about orchestration. This is about multitasking. And this is about setting up the proper funnels and flows. So that agent is going out, checking out Facebook groups. This agent, as you can see, commenting on TikTok, which is amazing. And he's just going to keep going and doing this like a human. Now, that's what's so great. I mean, I had this agent just created all my ManyChat funnels for me. This agent is doing that. We have an agent that's setting up Google ads for me. This agent is setting up Instagram stuff. I mean, you just cannot be more happier about something like this. And people say, oh, but Mark, are you making any money with it? Well, here it is. 12:40 a.m. You could see here, this is all new. This is not old stuff. You can't look yesterday, so you see my time up there. I made a funnel 24 hours ago. Claude Code made it. I just did it here in Claude Code, and it sucks you can't see this because I want you to see how many agents I have running. But you can imagine I have multiple agents going out and doing different things, from setting up my meta ads. They set up my meta ads here. You could see completely did everything, did all the flows. We used something called pipeboard.io. Which is amazing. Free API. You can go in there and create ads for you. One thing I will say is you do have to get the videos uploaded yourself, because with the pipeboard.io you have to, it only lets you do dynamic video uploads, which I don't want. But you can see one purchase today, $4.21. I mean, you can't beat that. This is how you make money with AI. Now over here, I have my Claude Code working on multiple things. This Claude Code is helping me build my web app called Clausa that's coming out in the next couple weeks. And now another secret I'll give you is I use Z.ai to actually to create the app phase by phase. Because what happens is if you don't do this, Claude Code really can't, work, that great with phase building. So that's something that I do want to tell people. I do use different tools. Now, if you use what I just discovered and I can't show you, is I use Cowork for the complete project structure. Cowork seems to help me a lot more because it goes over everything. Now, if you see here, it's asking, this is Google Anti-Gravity. So I use that for creating iPhone apps. Google Anti-Gravity is amazing. And I don't know what it's doing here. It's opening something here for me. We're just going to close it, keep in the background. So Claude is trying to do a bunch of stuff here. But the thing is, I'm kind of blocking it from that because of what I'm doing here, which is interesting. Okay, so now he released back, and now I have to tell him to always allow. Now this is good. So it's released, and you can see what I have going here. I have SEO work going with N8N. So we come over here to the N8N workflows. You could see this is for SEO content pipeline. I didn't build this. Claude Code built this, excuse me. And all I did was went in here to the SSH and I just went in there and told them what to do. You know, that's just how amazing this is. Claude Code is working on HeyGen videos over here. So I have a workflow where they're making videos for me.
Right now. It is gaining 2,800
And, you know,
stars
that's me, but
every
it's just
single
not
day.
me
It is
really,
called
right?
Agency Agents,
So you
and it
can
just made
see
hiring
all these
obsolete.
workflows help you to make money if you're using Claude Code right and you're using it, you know, the proper way. I have multiple agents spun up, and that's just how you do it to make money with this stuff. I mean, you can't just have one agent. I use Claude Code here, I use Cowork here, and then over here, I come here, I use Claude in the chat as well to help me with debugging. You know, you have to be able to multitask with this stuff. That's how you're going to win. That's how you're going to make money. It's not impossible. I believe in you. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I have an AI automation playbook that goes over all this stuff. It's only $36 right now. And, you know, it's going to be one of the best investments you make because I have secret Loom videos where I walk you through this even more in depth. All right. See you soon.